Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a little update video on how I'm feeling, and I wanted to show you how cute these top knot hats are from K&K Knots. They were so nice and sent me a couple of these, and I wanted to show you how cute they are. And they make really teeny tiny ones if you need some, because this little lady is teeny tiny and they fit her, so I'm really happy about that. If you guys are interested, I will definitely link them in the description box below. They're amazing, really good quality, so stretchy and really cute. So, how am I feeling? I am feeling tired and exhausted beyond belief, measure. I don't know. I feel like I'm crazy. But anyways, twins are a lot harder than having one baby, that's for sure. But we're making it through, getting through a routine, and yeah, they're feeding really good. I've been doing breastfeeding and I've been doing formula supplementing, but actually more bottle feeding than anything. Been doing some pumping, and this week I've been doing mostly formula feeding, just because baby girl has a really bad bum rash that we're trying to get rid of, and I feel like breastfeeding just promotes poop more, and so I don't want it to sit on her bum very long. I'm trying to like my phone. I don't want it to sit on her bum for very long, so I've been doing formula feeding as much as I can this week, just to see if anything clears up. But tomorrow I have an appointment for them, just to get them weighed and see if they're gaining more. Tomorrow they're 3 weeks. It's crazy. We've had these little munchkins for 3 weeks. She's so sweet. Baby brother is inside with dad, and I just brought her out here because it's really pretty and it feels good out, and I wanted to show you how cute these top knots are. So excited about them. So yeah, we're getting a routine in, and I'm just really tired, but we're making it through, and Hudson loves the babies. He's a little overly confident, but we're getting through it, and things are getting easier. They're sleeping for longer stretches during the night, which is really, really good. I mean, I'm very happy that we're getting a routine in. I'm trying to figure out how to hold this because my pinky hurts. So I'm trying to get a routine in. There's some boots down there. And yeah, but overall we're doing really good. I'm feeling really good after having my C-section. I've lost 43 pounds, 44 pounds. I have 12 more to go. So I'm really happy that I've lost all that weight. My belly's completely ruined. I'll have to show you guys what my belly looks like at some point, but just for this video I wanted to make an update and let you guys know that we're doing good and they're getting their routine in, and yeah, I'm tired. That's about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in these top knots, I will link them in the description box below. So cute. They fit her head so good. And yeah, oh my gosh, I can't believe we almost have 3-week-olds tomorrow. It's crazy. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.